Hello everyone, this is JPL back for another MLP review, and today I'll be reviewing episode 22, A Bird in the Hoof. Now this is an episode that I don't really like as much, for like a couple reasons. It introduces Phoenix, Philomena, and we never see that damn character again. I mean, we see Phoenixes again in season 2 in the Dragon Quest, where Spike looks for his home, but then we don't see it again. Pee-wee is then taken out of the show, and we never see Phoenix again. So that's a thing that needs to come back. Philomena, very important. Not just Phoenixes, Philomena. Keep the continuity real, fellas. That's what the show needs to work more on. If they're not gonna bring the character back, have at least a mention of the character. And then the whole scene with the Benny Hill parody stuff music, where they're chasing the bird, I think was stupid. It's childish. I know this is a show for little girls, but still, it's kind of dumb, even for kids. I'm just speculating there, so. And so, the thing that I really like about this episode is Princess Celestia is a complete troll. And which is amazing, and it's there's nothing much to say about this episode. It wasn't the best episode, but it was a okay episode. Like, for me, to rate this episode, I'm actually gonna give this episode a 7 out of 10, just because, well, it wasn't really fun to watch. It was kind of meh and cringy, like season 1, so yeah. Well, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.